Hi, Falcons. Welcome. We're glad you're here. So let's start with netiquette or GMRC, good manners and right conduct. So these are essentially the rules for distance or remote or online learning. Now, dress is school appropriate. Okay. So at least when you see me, I make an effort really to just not be in my usual t-shirt or pajamas here at home, right? So the same thing is expected of you. But with Google Meet, you can have the camera off so that it's just your initials or name that I get to see on screen. And that's also okay. Now, another thing would be keep mic muted except when speaking. Now, you can always use the chat box if you want to interrupt me and would want to say something. Now, as always, with remote learning interaction, there should always be respectful behavior and language, appropriate topic discussions, appropriate video transmissions, appropriate icon, emoji, and avatar submissions, academic integrity, and only submitting original work. Now, the agenda of this meeting with you guys, I'll focus on three talking points. First would be on navigating through Google Meet and how would that look like. So let me just present this. So navigating through Google Meet. Now, at times, just like what I'm doing now, I'm going to share the screen. But before I do that, I make sure that I have your attention. Everyone is muted and you're listening to the teacher, right? And you can always hide yourself. Why not? As I've said earlier, you can click on the camera icon present at the bottom of the Google Meet meeting screen. The button will turn red. Click on it again to activate the camera and unhide yourself. So it says here, let's practice this. So you can do that. Or you can try it out for some minutes. I'll wait. Okay, done. On ELC or emotional learning check-ins, I think this is number one on the list whenever teachers would have the chance to go on Google Meet. This would be an opportunity for us to touch base with you and for you also to say hi, hello to me, to the adults in the room, the EAs who are here currently in class, or Miss K, our teacher candidate, or some other people in the room via chat, bots, or taking turns to talk. Now, ELC. So, how do you do that? How do you use the chat box? So, tap on the icon featuring the three vertical dots. Can you see that? When the sub menu opens, select In Call Messages, tap the message field, and begin typing the message you want to send. When you are finished, tap on the arrow icon to the right of the message field. Okay. Now, another thing that I would want to talk would be links to recorded DI or direct instruction videos. This allows you to see the Google assignment by the description. And with this, I want you to read this first, write it down before click to view. So, how is that? So, when I am here, let's say I am here for instance. So, the links. This would usually allow you to get into our learning support YouTube channel. So, example, for the Google Classroom assignment of the week, I can easily do a recorded DI for the grade 7s, grade 8s, and the grade 9s. So, let me just probably click on what I have here for the grade 9s. I know you may be in grade 7 or grade 8, but the same run of things. So, let's see. Say you have a specific topic here for The grade nines, they are now into the unit on biology or the science or field of reproduction. So this is what I mean by read the description. Okay. So it would say here the essential questions that you needed to answer. I think this would be the trend now. Like you get to view the questions or the things that you're supposed to do in the assignment. And then you use Google Slides. You create Google Slides and to type down your answers. Okay. So that's what I mean by the third talking point. Now, I know you're all excited. What's the assignment for the week? I've always told you before that at the start of the week, I will give you the assignment, the one assignment for the week. And by the end of the week, a working week, that would be the Friday till midnight, you have the deadline to finish the assignment. So this week is kind of laid back. Let's take a breather from too much internet research, right? Or too much Googling on the answers. So it's just reading. Let's read science this week. So for those who are in school, they're fortunate enough that there are hard copies of the magazine. This one. So this is a copy of the magazine that's in the school, in the red bin box, or maybe in the white tray in the room. So, and the format is just like a manga book, like with drawings. So I know you will enjoy this. But a good question always would be, how about us, those who are at home, right? Don't be worried because I have the electronic copy of the magazine. So let me click on this. So for viewing purposes only, okay? So you have all the pages here. I scan the pictures or the pages, right? So I want you to just read this. Very easy, right? So, till the end. So it's all about the COVID-19 virus, the coronavirus. So which is a very timely topic, and I think the situation calls for it, and no course can better address the topic than science, right? So this would just be reading. So what if you're done, right? What if you're done reading? There would be the associated question to be answered. So you're going to create Google Slides to answer this question. So it's a reflection assignment. It says use your own words, use full sentences. I want you to write down lessons learned. Very simple. So that's all that I want from you this week, right? So later on by Friday or maybe Thursday, with the sub will see you Friday. As early as Thursday on my end, I can provide you with a template, and then you get to see it Friday with the sub. Okay? So if you miss our actual Google Meet schedule yesterday, then at least you have this recorded DI or conversations with me. Okay? So that's it for now. I hope you take good care of yourself. Ciao for now.